Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. How are you guys? Have you all have your dinner?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Alhamdulillah. So today, the purpose of the meeting is to discuss about sports competition. As already informed, our company will organize an inter-departmental sports competition at Aeon Mall branch. So I call you all as representatives from every department to discuss how to organize this competition. Can you all introduce yourself before we start our meeting?
Hi, my name is Hanis Masitah Binti Bakri. I am the meeting committee secretary and my job is to assist our chairperson and other committee's members.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Ekmal bin Ramli, the treasurer. I am in charge of our company's financial management.
My name is Khairunnisa Natrah Binti Hairon from marketing department. I am responsible in coordinating and producing all materials for company's marketing, including to increase the products and services, as well as representing the business in our organization. My job is to reach the investors, the potential customers to satisfy the needs of our company and customers who will bring success in our company.
Hi, I am Najeha Hambari from the Human Resource Department. My role is to manage the life cycle of our employees.
Hello, I am Nur Hidayah Binti Hadi from the Operation Department. My role is I am responsible for managing activities that are part of the production of goods and service.
Alright, so I will introduce myself. My name is Nurin Sabriana Binti Mustafa. You can call me Miss Sabriana. I will be your chairperson today for our informal meeting. So today we will discuss about the venue, the date, and the type of sport and financial details. Actually, this is a good opportunity for our staff to get closer in their department. With this, they can have good teamwork, cooperate together, and have a bonding. So the first sport that comes to my mind is bowling. Is it nice? What about Masitah, our secretary for this meeting? I want to know your opinion.
I agree with Miss Sabriana. I think bowling is the best option as well. It's easy to play and the venue is comfortable for us. I would like to suggest the date for this program on 30 November 2022. It is one of my favorite days because I always go bowling with my family during the specific date, and I think preferably the time for this program being conducted is around 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. What do you think of Miss Sabrina?
I think it is okay, right? I'm very sure everyone will be so comfortable with bowling since it is such a relaxing type of sport which does not use too much energy. What about the venue? Jeha, do you have anything in mind?
I think Cosmic Ball and Mall is the perfect place for the venue since it's near, and I think we are all very familiar with it, right?
Yes.
Yes. I'm sorry, Miss, for interrupting. I want to add matters regarding the venue. For my experience, I would say each department roughly will be changed around 45 ringgit for about 30 frames. And in addition, we will also be giving out lunch pack that cost around 7 ringgit per person. Also, I guess breakfast also needs to be added. So I'm thinking of giving out gardenia bread and mineral water that will cost 4 ringgit per person.
Sure, I think that is quite affordable. Also, I think we can wear the same color of t-shirt, just like a family day. How about that?
Yeah, I agree. We can wear different colors for each department, such as human resource wearing blue color, marketing wearing pink color, and so on.
Miss, may I ask about the poster? Should we print out a poster or only use the e-poster to spread the information about the competition to our staff?
I think we need to have the printed one to place the poster on the memo board so everybody can refer and be alerted to the event.
Thank you, Miss. And I think that we should put the poster early so that it can be spread to everyone about the competition early so that everyone know about this competition so they can reserve that day to join this competition.
Miss, I would like to offer myself on the poster. We should post the poster early to inform everyone about the competition so that they will not miss this great opportunity to join the competition. Leave the poster to my department. We will make sure to produce the poster as fast as we can. It usually takes several hours to create it. I will inform everyone after we finish the poster.
Okay, thank you for that, Miss Nisa.
Okay. So also don't forget the prize. I don't want to play if there are no prizes. Okay?
Oh, I almost forgot that about that. Sorry, Miss. I'm thinking of giving out hampers to all department as a prize. And for the side gift, everyone will get a personalized mark that has a printed carving about our competition that we held.
Nice. I like that. How about the budget of the prize, Ekmal? For the price is all on us. Don't bother to ask for additional charge from them.
Oh yeah, I'm thinking the same too. We kind of want to show appreciation to them by giving gift.
Excuse me, I would like to add on regarding the price of the sport competition. We should add mugs and pens in the hamper for the winners and t-shirt with our company logo as a gift for all participants to promote our company among staff. Thus, this will lead to a good start in giving a good impression while promoting, not just towards the staff, but also for the future customers after the competition. Do anyone have a word about my suggestion?
Yes, Miss Misa, it's bring benefit to our company. I agree with your idea. Besides, the marketing department can help design the mark and pens. Am I right?
Yeah, we can design them beautifully. Will we not? The design will be catchy and good looking to please everyone's eyes.
Wow, nice.
Okay, I'm sorry for the interruption. I just thought about who will photograph us on that day. Will it be one of us, or do we just need to take photos of our department? What do you guys think?
I think we can assign one or two people from operation department or from human resource department, and marketing department can use the photo to post it on social media such as Instagram and Facebook to make it look active.
Yeah, sure. I will let my department know regarding this, and we will send the photos to the marketing department after the sports competition is finished.
Also, leave the social media promotion in our department. We will make sure to post many photos, videos, boomerangs, and reels online on Instagram and Facebook with a catchy tag. I am thinking on putting on the hashtag Staff Sports Day. What do you think about the idea of the hashtag?
I think the hashtag idea is a great idea.
Yes, that's great. Okay, no problem.
Okay. I totally agree with all of this. So let me recall back and make the last check. Masitah, make sure to book the venue at Cosmic Ball Aeon Mall on 30 November 2022. Reserve the place from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Ekmal, please check all the reservations with whom you will buy the food for lunch and breakfast. Please check all the reservations. Please ask everyone in your department to arrange the hamper, mugs, and pens. Make sure all the prices will be done 4 days before the event starts. I will check on that. Nisa, make sure to make a beautiful design for our shirts with marks, and don't forget also to make a poster regarding this competition. And for Hidayah and Najeha, please assign 2 people in charge for the photography sessions, okay? All clear?
Yes,
Very
clear,
clear,
Miss.
Miss.
Very clear, Miss.
Okay, very good. For the next meeting, I will let you know the date, and I would like to know the progress of each department. Please work in your group nicely and enjoy what you all are doing. I guess that's all for today. Any questions? No questions. So if there are no questions, we end our meeting here. Thank you everyone for the commitments. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Miss.
Thank you, everyone.